Alright folks, now we're going for the Winchester 180 grain PowerPoint ammunition. Advertised muzzle velocity is 2,600 feet per second, but that's probably coming out of a hunting length barrel, not an 18-inch, more of a carbine. So that's what that PowerPoint looks like. Pretty nasty stuff. All these soft points seem to be feeding well as M&P 10, so let's go ahead and pop 5 rounds off at 100 yards and see how we do. Make sure my setup's all good to go. 20 round magazine. Well, sorry, there's 5 rounds in it, but let's try it out. Take the hat off. Just make sure I shoot at the right one here. My targets are starting to get close together. Not the best group, but still better than ZQI. Alright. Let's try them out, huh? Last 5 on the head. Let's try it out, huh? So far, my theory seemed to be null and void. I thought that the heavier ammunition would be the way to go out of this 1 in 10 twist barrel, but that's not really proven the best. I mean, it is performing better, minus that Monarch stuff, but we'll see. 5 on the head. Yeah, that isn't bad. Y'all gotta realize I'm not shooting out of a sled, and I'm not like a sniper or the most proficient sharpshooter there is, or an expert of any kind. I generally when I shoot, it's more of a sharpshooter status. When I'm talking about like the military, shooting for qualifications, it's like sharpshooter, not expert by any means. So, take it for what it's worth, but you can kind of see from, an average shooter, mildly experienced, this is what you can expect. The more trigger time you get, the better results you'll find. So I'm going to go ahead and do another 5 rounds of that 165 grain, then I'll go down there and show you, and then we'll take a few shots at 300 yards and see what we can do.